With just 2 cups a day, you're going to lose belly fat. Quick and easy. Belly fat is not only a matter of beauty, it is also very unhealthy, especially fat that is deeper in the abdomen, visceral fat. Excess belly fat may be the main reason for diabetes, type 2, heart disease, resistance to insulin, stroke, dementia, high blood pressure, some cancers and more. Today, belly fat is probably the biggest cause of concern for women and men. It also affects people who are thin and have flat stomach. There are 2 types of fat, the fat under the skin and the other that is deeper inside the body, which surrounds your internal organs, such as the heart, liver, lungs, etc. Belly fat can be caused by a number of factors such as your age, lifestyle, diet, etc. So, if you want to get rid of your excess abdominal fat, it is essential to make some changes in your lifestyle. For example, diet. A diet free of fats and sugars is paramount, with fruits and vegetables. Stress. It is vital to eliminate stress, to practice activities that promote tranquility. Exercise. The exercise is indispensable, minimum 60 minutes each day. If lifestyle changes do not help you, then you can still try an alternative solution. That's why we are going to introduce you to this homemade recipe to burn belly fat successfully. Ingredients needed: kiwi juice 1 tablespoon, water 4 cups, a green pepper peeled and sliced, melon juice. Preparation 1. First, put the green pepper sliced into the 4 cups water and start to boil. Let it boil for 10 minutes. 2. Then remove and let it cool for a while. After that, add the melon and kiwi juice and mix well. At the end, add the water. You should drink a cup of tea in the early morning, and for best results, you should even have 2 to 3 cups a day.